Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new book, the Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. If you're kind enough to purchase my book, I'm going to enter you into my lottery system. So stay tuned for this, yes? Giveaways, cash prizes, and a wonderful Caribbean vacation. Stay tuned for that. If you're kind enough to purchase my book, this is what's going to happen. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my book. Here's how it works. When you purchase, or when you're kind enough to purchase a copy of my book, which I'm awfully delighted, so thank you very much, send me the receipt to this email address. I will enter you into my lottery system. When I get the first 100 purchases, I will announce a Facebook Live lottery system. Third prize, anything under $20 from my chef shop, sent to you anywhere in the world. Second prize, anything under $30 from my chef shop, sent to you anywhere in the world. And the first prize is a $50 cash, sent to you via money transfer wherever you are. Here's the fun thing. Your name goes back into the lottery system, so you carry on winning, which entices you to promote, tell your friends and everybody else. So it helps you, it helps me, right? After that, I'm going to ump it up. Every 500 purchases, I'll ump up the value prices too. Now here's a great thing about doing that. By purchasing the book, you allow me to build a small team around me, so that creates jobs, right? Very important, so thank you for that. Now here's the grand prize. If I can get 10,000 purchases by the end of December 31st, 2018, this is what you're going to get. Third prize, $500 US sent to you wherever you are. Second prize, $1,000 US sent to you wherever you are in the world, wire transfer. And here's a big grand prize. One trip to Saint Lucia, all inclusive, flown in from wherever you are in the world. And you will stay at the beautiful, luxurious St. James Club. It's an all-inclusive hotel. So yes, folks, that means that all the booze, all the drinks, all the booze, all that is on me too. I will also show you around my beautiful island. We'll do some bush cooking together. So it's a really, really nice little thing, you know, so I'm giving back to you. If you're a Saint Lucian, or you live, let's say if you're a Saint Lucian living on this island, not a Saint Lucian in London, if you live on this beautiful island as I do, obviously I'm not going to send you on the island for a vacation. You can have the same value trip off to Jamaica for an all-inclusive package for 1 week also, right? So subscribe to my channel, very important. This way you know what's going on. Like all my social media, so you also are kept in the loop of what's going on, because I will be doing daily updates, right? Subscribe, lost my track, subscribe, Facebook, and send me your receipts. This is really important, so I can enter you into the system, right? To this email address, okay? What you have to do is click on the chef shop icon that's coming up on the screen. Not this one now, you'll see it right at the end of the video. You follow that icon, right? So click on the icon right at the end of the screen. Thanks, folks. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on this button, and then also on my chef shop button. Happy cooking, folks, and thanks a lot.